How to delete TikTok search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely clear your search history on TikTok in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy, simply scroll down and here under the content and display section, there you can see the option labeled as activity center. So just tap on it, and now here once inside the activity center, so you can see the option labeled as search history. So just tap on it, and now here inside the search history you will see full list of all your previous searches. So simply select the one that you want to delete, and here once you have selected the one, you can see the option. So here you can just tap on select, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you can simply tap on the option labeled as select all search history, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And once you select that, you can just tap on delete button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here once you tap on it, a confirmation message will pop up. In that message, just tap on delete, and that's it. That's how you can delete the TikTok search history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.